Understanding, calculate the yield. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning, understanding specific phrases and their applications. One such phrase is, calculate the yield. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about financial terms, this video is tailored for you. Let's break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's important. When we talk about calculating the yield, we're referring to the process of figuring out the returns on an investment over a specific period. Yield is a key concept in finance that helps investors understand the efficiency or profitability of their investment. It can apply to stocks, bonds, real estate, and other forms of investments. Understanding how to calculate the yield is crucial for several reasons. Investment decision-making. It helps investors decide where to put their money by comparing the potential returns of different investments. Risk assessment. By calculating the yield, investors can gauge the risk associated with an investment. Typically, a higher yield might indicate higher risk. Financial planning. For personal or business financial planning, knowing the yield of investments is essential for forecasting future income. The basic formula for calculating yield varies depending on the type of investment, but a common formula is yield equals income from investment, cost of investment, *100. This formula gives you the yield as a percentage, which is useful for comparing the efficiency of different investments. Example, let's say you bought a bond for $1,000 that pays you $50 in interest annually. To calculate the yield equals $50 per $1,000, *100 equals 5%. This means your investment is yielding a 5% return annually. It's also important to understand that there are different types of yields. Annual yield, the return on an investment over a year. Current yield. For bonds, it's the annual interest payment divided by the current market price. Yield to maturity. For bonds, it's the total return anticipated if the bond is held until it matures. Calculating the yield is a fundamental skill in finance that can help you make informed investment decisions, assess risks, and plan for the future. We hope this video has illuminated how to calculate the yield and why it's such a valuable tool in the financial world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey. Stay curious, and happy learning!